Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw? Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started! Puto bumbong is a type of steamed rice cake made from special variety of glutinous rice known as pirurutong, which has a distinct purple color. It is steamed in bamboo tubes and traditionally served with butter, grated coconut, and sugar on banana leaves. It is as well as served with a hot tea on the side. Its unique preparation and flavor make it a festive treat sold primarily during the Christmas season, especially around the time of Simbang Gabi. This video is a casual conversation of two friends talking about Simbang Gabi or night mass around Christmas season. And they will be talking about the putu bumbong that are being sold during the sad season. Magsisimbang gabi ka ba? Mag-si-sim-bang gabi ka ba? Magsisimbang gabi ka ba? Meaning, are you going to attend the night mass? Oo. O. O. Oo. Meaning, yes. Sigurado napakaraming kakanin na naman sa labas. Si-gu-ra-do na pa-ka-ra-ming ka-ka-nin na naman sa labas. Sigurado napakaraming kakanin na naman sa labas, meaning, for sure there would be a lot of sticky rice cake outside. Ay, sigurado yan. Lalo na ang puto bongbong na may tiyaan na kasama. Ay, si-gu-ra-do yan. Lalo na ang puto bongbong na may tsaa na kasama. Ay, sigurado yan. Lalo na ang puto bongbong na may tsaa na kasama. Meaning, that's for sure. Especially the puto bongbong that comes with tea. Napakasarap naman talaga ng puto bongbong na pa-ka-sarap naman talaga ng puto bongbong. Napakasarap naman talaga ng puto bongbong. Meaning, puto bongbong really tastes good. Gusto mo sumama ka sa'king magsimba? Gusto mo sumama ka sa'kin magsimba? Gusto mo sumama ka sa'kin magsimba? Meaning, do you wanna go to church with me? Okay lang ba sa'yo? Okay lang ba sa'yo? Okay lang ba sa'yo? Meaning, is that okay for you? Oo naman. Mas masaya may kasama. O naman. Mas masaya may kasama. Oo naman. Mas masaya may kasama. Meaning, of course, it's more fun to go with someone. Tama. Bumili tayo ng puto bongbong at humigop ng napakainit na tsaa. Tama. Bumili tayo ng puto bongbong at humigop ng napakainit na tsaa. Ah, tama! Bumili tayo ng puto bumbong at humigop ng napakainit na tsaa. Meaning, right, let's buy puto bumbong and sip the very hot tea. Hindi na ako makapag-antay. Hindi na ako makapag-antay. Hindi na ako makapag-antay, meaning, I cannot wait. Salamat sa pag-aaya sa'kin na sumama. Di na rin ako makapag-antay. Salamat sa pag-aaya sa'kin na sumama. Di na rin ako makapag-antay. Salamat sa pag-aaya sa'kin na sumama. Di na rin ako makapag-antay. Meaning, thank you for inviting me to come with you. I cannot wait too. Anong kulay ng damit na susuotin mo? Anong kulay ng damit na susuotin mo? Anong kulay ng damit na susuotin mo? Meaning, what is the color of the shirt you are going to wear? Dilaw. At ikaw? Magdilaw ka na din para pareho tayo. Dilaw. At ikaw? Magdilaw ka na din para pareho tayo. Dilaw. At ikaw? Magdilaw ka na din para pareho tayo. Meaning, yellow. And you? Wear a yellow shirt too, so we're the same. Sige ba? Sige ba? Sige ba? Meaning, sure. Oo nga pala. Sasakay ba tayo o maglalakad na lang? Oo nga pala. Sasakay ba tayo o maglalakad na lang? Oo nga pala. Sasakay ba tayo o maglalakad na lang? Meaning, oh yes, are we gonna have a ride or we're going to walk? Naku, mas gusto ko maglakad. Mas gusto ko maglakad. Naku, mas gusto ko maglakad. Meaning, gosh, I prefer to walk. Ako din. Pero bakit? Ako din. Pero bakit? Ako din. Pero bakit? Meaning, me too. But why? Kasi maraming pwede makita. Kasi maraming pwedeng makita. Kasi maraming pwede makita. Meaning, cause there's a lot to see. At malamig ang panahon, di ba? Kaya masaya. At malamig ang panahon, di ba? Kaya masaya. At malamig ang panahon, di ba? Kaya masaya. Meaning, and the weather is cold, right? That's why it's fun. Totoo yan, lalo na sa madaling araw. O yan, lalo na sa madaling araw. Totoo yan, lalo na sa madaling araw. Meaning, that's true, especially in the dawn. Oh, kailangan ko nang mauna dahil maglalaba pa ako ng damit. O, kailangan ko na mauna dahil maglalaba la, ba, pa, ko, ng, ma, nga, da, mit. O kailangan ko na mauna dahil maglalaba pa ako ng mga damit. Meaning, oh, I need to go now cause I'll be doing the laundry. Sige, ingat ka. Sige, ingat ka. Sige, ingat ka. Meaning, sure, take care. Ikaw din. Paalam. Ikaw din. Paalam. Ikaw din. Paalam. Meaning, you too. Bye. Paalam. Meaning, bye. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!